I made it through that thicket. Had to go very carefully. That was not easy. It's all the shrubbery and everything. That might be the peak right there. Oh boy. Yeah, this must be the downhill part. Looks like we go down to a small saddle. Oh boy. Well, just keep following the firebreak. As evidenced by my arm and shirt, you're going to be brushing up against a lot of chaparral. So there's going to be some minor bushwhacking. Nothing impenetrable, but you will get slowed down from time to time. This part isn't too bad, but there's still quite a bit more to go to get up to the peak. Alright. Yeah. It's not a cakewalk with regards to getting through everything. Good chances are, there are good chances you will get scraped. Property boundary. I guess we're on the outskirts of the Cleveland National Forest. I figured we were all the way up in it. Okay, time to get through some chamise here. Seeing a lot of this plant today over on Black Mountain in San Diego. See a lot of it here in the Santa Ana Mountains too. Whew. A little bit of a sweaty workout going through all this brush, but that might be my peak right there. Just went over a false summit. It's beautiful over here. Point blank, it's beautiful over here. It's just knowing where the firebreak keeps going and just gearing up for some chaparral blasts. Alright, now it's just, so it looks like, yeah, this trail can be pretty easy to lose. You can tell it's not maintained by the Forest Service. It's more of a firebreak, technically. You see a lot of those along the side of the roads, and a lot of even the dirt roads and some of the paved roads in our national forest. You'll see fire breaks quite often, and this is one of them right here. So we'll see. This could be it. I'll see you up the trail with more updates.